Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make classic Filipino pancit, that delicious stir-fried noodle dish you'll find at every Filipino celebration. Stick with me, and you'll have a tasty, colorful plate in no time. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of pancit bihon noodles. That's rice vermicelli. Soak them in warm water for 10 minutes to soften. Slice 1 small carrot into matchsticks, shred a cup of cabbage, slice 2 cloves of garlic. Chop up 1 small onion. I also like to add a handful of green beans cut into thin strips. Now for the protein, totally up to you. I'm going with 200 grams of chicken breast, thinly sliced, plus a few pieces of shrimp for extra flavor. You can use pork or even tofu if you like. Heat a big pan or wok over medium heat. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of oil. Toss in your garlic and onion. Sauté until fragrant, about a minute. Add your chicken and cook until it turns white, then throw in the shrimp. Stir until everything's cooked through. Next up, the veggies. Add your carrots, green beans, and cabbage. Give everything a quick toss, just until the veggies are bright and still a little crisp. Now push everything to the side of the pan. Pour in 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce right into the empty side. You can add a splash of oyster sauce if you want it richer. Stir to combine, then bring it all to a gentle boil. Time for the noodles. Drain them and add straight into the pan. Use tongs to gently mix everything together. Let the noodles soak up all that tasty broth. If it looks dry, just add a bit more water or broth. Once the noodles are soft and everything's well mixed, taste and adjust with salt and pepper. Squeeze a bit of calamansi or lemon on top for that signature tang. And that's it. Pancit, ready to serve. Slide it onto a platter, garnish with green onions and maybe a few lemon wedges. Perfect for any party, or just because you're craving something special. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. What Filipino dish should I try next? Drop a comment below. Thanks for cooking with me, and see you next time.